Well, they've definitely been asked by customers. It kind of sounds like this. It's like, hello, how you doing? Oh, yeah, you want me to install your lights? You're like, oh, cool. They wanted me to install their lights. That's what I do for a living. That's awesome. Yes. Uh-huh. Oh, you have your own lights. Oh, shit. We don't install people when they have their own lights, but I'll just listen to them because I don't want to be rude. Oh, you have Govee. Oh, you bought the $200 package on Amazon. Okay. And then usually at that point I say, yeah, I got a friend. His name is David Merle. He specializes in Govee installations. Let me get you his number. And then David goes, oh my God, dude, I've gotten 50 people who've called me about, I was like, I know, I've sent at least 25 over there to David.
Over there.
And David's just so nice. He was like, yeah, I would love to get to it, but maybe but I mean, the truth is when someone says they have Govee, there's a better thing to do than just pass them off. It probably would be a decent idea. It's not a waste of time. You're already on the phone wasting your time with a Govee customer. Why don't you just say, well, we don't offer that, but we do offer this. And let me give you a little breakdown. What would be your breakdown if a customer calls you about Govee and you're saying you don't offer that service, but you do have a service they'd probably be interested in? What would be your pitch on that?
You just stole my question.
Yeah, my pitch is, and I think it's just educating the customer, right? I say this in our training classes, and so here's kind of a sneak peek.